He'll turn it, left circle Hedman, wheels and shoots wide right. Rebound Kucherov, center point Radish. Shoot, save made by Sorokin. That was tipped, I think, by Gensel. Left side outlet, Brandon Hagel to center. Speeds across the New York line, left circle. In front, Gergensen, save made by the goaltender Sorokin. And Gergensen's trying to get a stick on it. Couldn't, Horvat's got a breakaway. Horvat's in alone. Save Vasilevsky, shoots again off the side of the net. He got loose, he has the puck again. High slot. To the center point, D'Angelo shoots. Save Vasilevsky. Braden Point skates right circle, right point to Radish. Darren Radish doesn't have a shooting lane. Now he fires, score! It was tipped in front, I think, by Bjorkstrand. What a shift by the Lightning. They kept the puck alive numerous times, and they get the goal on the tip, 1-0 Tampa Bay. In front for Hagel off his skate. Now counter here, 3-on-1 shorthanded rush. Horvat down the right wing. Cross the blue line, right circle, he holds and shoots, score! The shot from the Lightning in the O-zone was blocked, and they had too many guys caught down low. A 3-on-1, Horvat takes it all the way, scores the shorthanded goal. We're tied at 1. They've killed the first 30 seconds, the Lightning, without surrendering the puck. A chance right in front. Gord knocked it off the stick of Dobson, who was skating in front of Sorokin. Sorokin made the save on the Gord poke check. Dobson to the center ice circle. Anders Lee at center, left wing Horvat, maybe a 2-on-1. Across the blind, Bo Horvat, left circle, holds, shoots, missed the net wide left. Another odd man rush for Horvat. That one missed the net though. Horvat keeps it alive. Left circle Romanov shoots. That was tipped and goes over the net and out of play. During the 3 kills, they're 3 for 3 tonight. Vasilevsky almost lost it by the net. Comes in front. Duclair. Steve Vasilevsky. And he holds on. The Lightning almost had a humongous mistake after they got through 2 brilliant kills. They almost gifted a goal to New York. But Vasilevsky recovers in time, and it stays 1-1. Across the blind, Braden Point. Tucks it left corner, Kucherov. In front, Gensel! Score! Jake Gensel! What a pass from Kucherov! Pelech dumps it in. Gensel up the left side, Kucherov onside across the blind with numbers. High slide, Hedman. Shoot, score! Hedman! What a finish! Up and over the stick of Sorokin. It's 3-1 Lightning. Pivot move to the center point. He shoots, saved by Vasilevsky. He doesn't see the rebound. Comes in front, Gatcomb shoots, save Vasilevsky! No one can get a stick on it. Finally squirts free to Kucherov right corner. In front, Point! Shot a wide left. He had a good look. Kucherov holds. Kucherov cross ice. Bjorkstrand left circle shot. Save made by the goaltender Sorokin, and he holds on. You mentioned that in the first period, Brian. Bjorkstrand didn't shoot the one-timer there, and Sorokin got over in time. Puck not dropped. Now it is, and we're going to have a fight. Gord dropping the gloves with Cizikas. Not sure what this is stemming from.
Yeah, that was right off the draw for sure. It was a formality. Cizikas let him win the draw, and then they both backed up and dropped the mitts. Pretty even right now. They got the wrestling match. A couple of shots being thrown. Looked like Yanni got one in there on the side of the head. Yanni doesn't have a helmet on now, but they're in really tight. They're getting pretty tired. Ooh, that was a pretty good shot by Cizikas.
Got a good right in.
Yeah, big time. Now the linesmen are going to get in and separate them. Yeah, I'm not sure what started that, but something early in the game, something that was said, whatever. Could be a lot of things. It could be from last game.
Left side feed Cirelli. Has a little room here to clear it out. And it's alive for Paul at center ice. Paul at the open net. Score! The new Papa, Nick Paul, scores into the empty net. It's 4-1 Lightning with 3:31 left.